Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Apple Watch backups to a new iPhone with iCloud step by step clearly. To transfer Apple Watch backups to a new iPhone using iCloud, first, ensure both devices are powered on and connected to Wi-Fi. Begin with your old iPhone. Open the Watch app on your old iPhone. Tap on General. Select Reset. Choose Erase all content and settings. Confirm your choice. This action will back up your Apple Watch data to iCloud. Now, set up your new iPhone. Turn on your new iPhone and follow the on-screen instructions. When prompted, select Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in to your iCloud account. Choose the most recent backup that corresponds to your old iPhone. Wait for the backup to restore. Once the process is complete, the Apple Watch backup will automatically transfer to your new iPhone. Ensure your Apple Watch is close to your new iPhone during setup. Open the Watch app on your new iPhone. Follow the on-screen prompts to pair your Apple Watch. After pairing, choose to restore from backup. Select the latest backup available. Wait for the restoration to finish. Your Apple Watch will now be set up with all your previous data. Once the process is complete, you can start using your Apple Watch with your new iPhone. Make sure to check that all your apps and settings are as you expect. That's it. Enjoy your new setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.